Okay, for this very simple Valentine's heart explosion box, I'm going to do the SVG file first with Cricut Design Space, and I've already cut out all the pieces. I'm going to start with the base of the box. There are no score lines because I'm just going to go from corner to corner and make a crease with my ruler. And I'm just going down the middle, and you'll see where the corners, they match up, and I'm going to make a fold in half. We'll make several folds before we actually do the box fold to make it into a box. And then you also have the straight lines that are for the sides of the box. So let's go ahead and crease those up. And I'm just using regular cardstock for this project. And this box is, when it's finished, will be about a 2-inch box. Okay, once you have all your folds done, and be sure that you are folding the diagonal lines backwards and, well, on the top and the underside, because when you go to fold in your box, it'll make it easier for these hearts to fold in. So your box will fold up and in like this. So you can go ahead and crease right here to make that easier. And next we will go ahead and put the inside down where we want it. And I have this on my actual Cricut mat, and so it helps to keep everything in place while I'm working. This inside insert is going to have the hearts on it, and I'm just going to use a glue stick and glue those on. And then this bottom insert will get glued to the bottom of the card base, the box base. So for also this liner right here is going to need to be creased as well. I just used a lighter cardstock for the inside, but you can use regular cardstock as well. And so this will make it easier when the box is opened. And I think what I did was I put the pink heart with, you can't see it in here, but it says Be Mine. I did use vinyl for this part, and I'm going to go ahead and take out that right now. I had tried it with cardstock and it just was a little bit too small. It cut out fine, but when I just wanted something to transfer on a little bit better. And as well, when you use the vinyl with cardstock, you also have to be careful with it not sticking. The transfer paper does stick to the cardstock somewhat, and I'm going to go ahead and use a black pen to fill in the eye. So I'm just going to pick vinyl up with my transfer tape. And put that on to the heart. If your transfer tape is too sticky, it will tear the cardstock, and especially this is just regular 80-pound paper, so I might have a problem. Let's see. Looks okay. And I'm going to put that on my lid. And I'm going to put it on before I do the folds for the lid. And again, you can just use your ruler. These tiny pieces probably don't need it, but I'm going to go ahead and do a fold on the corners and the sides as well. And you can see that it just folds over corner to corner. And the inside flaps will have glue on the outside of them. Let me see if I can just fold each side over. And the flaps inward. And I made these flaps a little bit bigger so a double-sided tape strip will be able to fit on there. This is 1/8 of an inch double-sided tape. And the flaps fold in, and one last side for the top of the box. So these flaps will all have tape on them on the other side. Okay, I've put double-sided tape on all of the corners for the flaps and carefully just folding side to side, corner to corner, and you will have your lid. Okay, back over here, I'm going to put a little piece of double-sided tape on here as well. And you can stick a little piece of candy on here or a little note or whatever you want for your Valentine's gift for inside.